Continuing to question number 4, how many terms of AP must be taken to give a sum of 636? So I'll recall the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here sum is 636, n by 2. So n by 2, how many terms we have to take in? So 2 into 9 is 18 plus n minus 1 into d. d here is 17 minus 9 is 8. So cross multiply this. 636 into 2 is equals to n plus open the brackets over here. So this becomes 12, 7, 1272 is equals to 10 plus 8n. So open the brackets. 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 is 0. Take 2 common. 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is 0. So now we have to factorize this equation. So we have to solve by quadratic formula, else it will be very long. So d is equals to b square minus 4ac. So 5 square minus 4 into 4 into. If you do not know how to solve the quadratic formula, refer to my quadratic equation videos. Plus 636 into 16. 36, 38. 10 10176, which is equals to 10201. So n is equals to minus 5 plus minus under root of 10201 upon 2a, which is 2 4s are 8. The formula was minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we have to find the square root of 10201. Make pair of 2. 1 1s are 1. 0 2 0 201. So 201. So this came out to be the square root of 101 upon 8. If minus 1 plus 101 upon 8 or minus 5 minus 101 upon 8, since number of terms cannot be negative, we will neglect this case. So it will become 96 upon 8, which is 12. So number of terms are 12. Next, the first term of an AP is 5 and last term is 45. Sum. So Sn is equals to n by 2 a plus l. So 400 is equals to n by 2 5 plus 45. So 400 into 2 upon 50 is equals to n. Therefore n is equals to 16. We have to find the d as well. So last term, that is an, is equals to 45. A plus n minus 1 into d is 45. A here is 5 plus n is 16 minus 1 into d is 45. So 15, d is equals to 40. Therefore d is equals to 40 upon 15, which is 8 upon 3. First and the last term is there. Common difference is there. We have to find the sum. So what I'll do is, a is equals to 17, l is equals to 350. A plus n minus 1 into d is 350. So 17 plus n minus 1 into d. d here is 9. So n minus 1 into 9 is equals to 350 minus 17, which is 333. So n minus 1 is 9 3s are 27, 9 7 6, the n is equals to 38. So how many terms are there? 38 terms are there. Sum will be 38 upon 2 a plus l. 19 into 367. Find the 6 9 6 9 are 54, 60, 27, 33. So it is equivalent to 6973. Your sum is 6973. Question number 7. Sum of first 22 terms, that means a by n by 2 a plus l is equals to 149. So that means a plus l is equals to 149 upon 11. A 22, that means a plus 21 d is 149. A plus 21 into 7 is 147 is equals to 149. So a is equals to 2. So we have to find the sum. I made mistakes. Sorry. A plus 21d was 149. So a is equals to 2. Now A is 2, D is 7. We have to find the sum of 22 terms. That is 22 upon 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. N is 22 minus 1 into D. So 11. 2A is 4 plus 21 into 7. 4 plus, it is 151. So 151 is 1661. Now find the sum of first 51 terms of AP whose second and third term is C. Second term, that means A plus D is 14 and A plus 2D is 18. Subtract these two equations. D is equals to 4. Substitute in equation 1. Therefore A plus 4 is 14. A is equals to 10. We have to find the sum of first 51 terms. That is 51 upon 2. 2A plus 50 into 4. 20 plus 200 is 220. That is 110. So 5610 is your answer. 51, yes. If sum of first 7 terms is 49, that means Sn is equals to 49 as 7, and sum of 17 terms is 289. We have to find the sum of first n terms, that is 7 upon 2. 2A plus 6D is equals to 49. So I can write this equation as, take 2 common, A plus 3D is equal upon 2 is 49. So this becomes A plus 3D is equals to 7. This becomes our first equation. Now second equation, n by 2, 2A plus 16D is 289. 17s are 2 common, so A plus 8D is equals to 17. This becomes our second equation. So subtract these two equations. 8 plus 8D minus A minus 3D is 17 minus 7. So 5D is equals to 10. Therefore D is equals to 2. Substitute in equation 1. A is equals to 1. So first sum of first n terms would be n by 2. 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. So 2 plus 2n minus 2, which will be equals to n square, because n by 2 into 2n, 2 cancels, so n square. Next, show A1, A2, An form an AP whose, so find the value. A1 is 3 plus 4, which is 7. A2 is 3 plus 8 is 11. A3 is 3 plus 12 is 15. So see, common difference is 11 minus 7 is 4, 15 minus 1 is 4. So yes, since D is same, therefore it is forming an AP. Now here A1 is 9 minus 5 is 4. A2 is 9 minus 10 is minus 1. A3 is 9 minus 15 is minus 6. A4 is 9 minus 20 is minus 11. Check. Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. Minus 6 minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 6 is minus 5. Since all the common difference is same, D is same. So yes, they are an AP.